This is the customized Puppet Master kit. This was released in the early 90s by Greg Aronowitz, Full Moon Productions. I know there was less than, I know they had a run that was supposed to be in the hundreds, but they were in less than 50 due to bad castings and poor production quality. I don't know exactly how many were made on the Tunneler, but I think he was the rarest of all. I've seen this kit unpainted in a box go for $500 many years ago. And what we did with this one was we put a motor in the head so that we can, the Tunneler can spin, this top can spin, this little drill, just like in the films. And a custom box was made here, and custom paint job by Willam Lappe. And you press the little, we have a switch on the back, which will adjust. But you turn and it will start rolling, and you can go to a low speed or you can bring it to a higher speed. And then right over here, you press this wooden panel, and we have a sound box in there that plays the music from the film. So you get an idea of what's going on here. It's one of a kind, highly customized kit. This will be going up on eBay for auction. If you guys want to be, anyone interested, you see a link there in the video. And happy modeling.